Stories sells. Share stories on your very first TikTok live video that you have documented. Sweat were pouring down your face. You were shaking as a leaf. You did not know the formula of a hook, value proposition, CTA. Share stories when your business break evens, when you reach a loss, when you are making profit. Share stories of your struggles and challenges. Maybe you started an online business where it required you to be tech savvy and you thought to yourself, but I truly suck at tech. I don't know what to do at all. How to build a website, email automation responders, how to build my email list. Share stories of your emotions, how you feel, what you have been through, what you have gone through while building businesses. Maybe you got fired at a job, you got retrenched. It caused friction between you and your husband, between you and your kids. You did not have money to pay for the university fees, the college tuition. Share stories of how you were struggling building your businesses. That will separate you from the masses of brands that are trying or building their businesses online. You can resonate. You are authentic, original, sharing stories. You are separating yourself from other brands. Remember, the ultimate funnel is brand. You are the funnel. People buy into you, into your products, services, and opportunity.